So we've done all the tiling, and I'm just putting in, we're going to carry on the sort of timber slatted fence going across here, but one directly above I'm having like a little, doing this way, one sideways like a little shelf. And I just thought I'd show you how I want to screw this in rather than nail it, so it's a bit more secure. So I'm just using a flat spade bit to drill holes. Good little tip, mark with a bit of tape how deep you want to drill so you don't go all the way through your piece of wood. Then I'll use a normal drill bit just to drill through, so my screw can go through, and then I'll cut and treat some little bits of 12mm dowel, and then once I've fixed the screws and it's all fixed up, I can then conceal the holes by just hammering a little treated dowel into the hole.